So I want to paint this intake manifold, and in order to do that, I need to clean this all off. Now I've just taken some steel wool and a lot of time and a rag and just cleaning all this off. There's still just a few more spots I need to get, but I'm ready to start taping this off because we don't want paint to get in there, especially on these surfaces that need to be flat. So I have tape here, and if I flip this over, here I have tape over where the fuel injectors go, the screw holes, these little pieces where the hoses slide over, all the places where screws go. And I need one more spot, and that's right here on the back. Before I do that, one thing I need to carefully do is remove this gasket. So I'm just gonna take the X-Acto knife and just, if it doesn't come off easy, I'm not gonna take it off. I can put tape over this, but if it starts coming off easy, then just like that. Then we'll just very carefully scrape this off, because we'll be able to reuse this. It's not under much pressure at all. So I have the intake manifold now just hung on a string. I have it all cleaned up, and I'm ready to start to spray it with some primer, and I'm just gonna shake this up. So now I'm just gonna give it a final cleanup with some rubbing alcohol just to make sure the paint will really stick to this much better. So now let's go ahead and make our first few coats with the primer. So with this white primer, we want to make sure that we have an even coat over the whole thing, because when we spray the red on, it'll make it brighter, and if it's consistent, the red will also be consistent. So very lightly with a piece of sandpaper, this is 400, I'm just going to run it over the surface of the primer, because even if you look right here, you can see it has like little burrs kind of sticking off. So I just want to take those off, and they're super easy. If you just drag this over, they just fall right off. But I just want the surface of the paint that we're gonna put on next, I want that to be nice and clean, and we can go ahead and put our coat of red paint on. So far, I'm really liking how this is looking. This is just the first coat. I'm probably gonna put 2 or 3 coats of red on this, but so far this is looking really nice. Now that the paint is all dry, I can go ahead and start removing the tape. So it's gonna be kind of cool watching that shiny come back. So now as we assemble this engine, we'll have some nice looking parts on here, and I think this is just gonna look really nice. I mean, red is just a cool color. I think this will look nice on the engine.